Yep. So quick little update on the ID Buzz. It has been doing almost 30,000 kilometers, and I have had it for 1.5 years approximately, give and take 14 days. And I'm going on holiday now. So it has actually been to the workshop for the first time. In the last video I was complaining about and using it a lot with the trailer, which it's a pretty big trailer, fits the bus pretty good. And I had the issue with it not locking here, so they have replaced this whole assembly, and that was like I'll show you the bill here. I have warranty, I have a service maintenance deal on it as well, so of course it didn't cost me anything, but the prices are pretty stacked, I think. So I got a problem with the AC. It stopped working. It put on an error message and contact the workshop. So I did. It made it Wednesday afternoon, evening. I went there Friday because it's holiday season here in Denmark with my big eyes and said, please, I have to take teenagers all the way to Hamburg to the airport soon, and I need air conditioning because it's pretty hot in Denmark. So they said, bring it Monday and we'll see what we can do, but we have to have it 3 or 4 or 5 days maybe. So I said, that's fine. Brought it Monday, got it back already Wednesday afternoon. So it appears that in 1.5 years it has already lost 75 grams of coolant in the air conditioning system, and they have pressurized the system. They say there's no leaks, but it's a pretty big amount of coolant loss. So of course there will be some micro leaks otherwise, because I don't run the AC very often. Otherwise, you can see it's just nice with all the room. There's a life vest, there's some windsurf gear, and the easiness of flipping the seats, and the utilitiness and the driving experience is it's still super nice compared to a VW Transporter. Done a lot with this little big trailer, and a lot of when I use the car, I don't use it just in the city that much. I use it usually for longer trips on the highway, and with the trailer to go surfing, and that of course influences the consumptions a little bit, which is, let's see, car data, long time. So it has done a little bit over 4 kilometers per kilowatt, and I think that's pretty good. I usually also have a lot of people. If I'm driving a long way, I have a lot of people with me, and or the trailer, or both. So that's pretty good. The issue with the steering wheel shaking at a 130, a guy wrote to me in the comments in the last video about the bus that it could help to overinflate the tires a bit more than what it says on the what is recommended from Volkswagen, and it actually helps a little bit. It's not completely 100% gone on the Stockton rims, but it's pretty close, and I'm living with it. I think it's probably the tires that need changing at one point. Maybe the original Conti tires are just too soft. And talking about the wear is looking like this, and so that's not too bad. I think front tires are here. It's usually those who get the most, because it has such a tight turning circle. So if you're not careful, you will scrub them a little bit turning tight. But I think it's okay. I must have done around 15,000 kilometers on these. Otherwise, it's just holding up really, really good. I enjoy driving it, and I have personalized it with my sale number. So actually got recognized by somebody on the highway because I also have it on the back. Fun little things. And otherwise, yeah, car is just doing car stuff, performing very well. Yeah, also, yeah, I can show you because there's also something they also charged for a software update on the bill. I can show you. So to get a little bit of cooling refilled, the wiper blade switched, it's all in my service manual. They charge over €1,000, actually 1,100, a little bit more than 1,100. And you can see the software is now this, and I actually thought that the newest software to my car would be the 5.6, but now I have 5.2.1 Revolution 1. So what that means, I don't know. Screen is still performing pretty easy. That's my mom's number, you won't get that. Oops, be gone. So yeah, and you can see, so maybe it has gotten a little bit better, maybe a little bit, yeah, it feels the same. So anyways, yeah, and the wireless charging here isn't always working, so I got a cable instead. Works for me. And yeah, otherwise, car doing car stuff, doing what it should. Yeah, so only one hiccup with the AC, and luckily it got fixed because my holiday starts today and it was fixed 2 days ago, so that is perfect. Yeah, and sometimes it thinks that I'm talking to it. It doesn't work with the "Hey Buzz" or "Hey Ida." So if you're just talking, it will start doing stuff with the voice control, even if you don't press the button. And sometimes if you say the commands, "Hi Ida, Ida, start voice command," it doesn't work. Anyways, still a great car. Always using the rubber mats because it's easier all year round. So yeah, see you when I have had it for 2 years, I hope. If I have a major issue, I will of course make a video about it. But yeah, it just fitted so perfectly with the 30,000 kilometers and the the AC switching off. So yeah, that is it. See you in the next one.